Looking for the best photo booth printer in 2026? Whether you're running a professional photo booth business, capturing weddings, or hosting special events, the right printer can deliver fast, vibrant, lab-quality prints that leave a lasting impression. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 5 best photo booth printers of 2026, selected for their print quality, speed, reliability, and overall value to help you choose the perfect printer for your event photography needs.
We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1. Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit. The Liene PixCut S1 Inspire Kit is an impressive all-in-one sticker printer and cutting machine that combines high-quality photo printing with precise AI-powered die cutting in a single compact device. Using thermal dye sublimation technology, it produces vibrant 300 dpi prints with rich, true-to-life colors while automatically laminating each print for waterproof, scratch-resistant, and fade-resistant durability. The intuitive Bluetooth-enabled Liene app lets you edit, print, and cut directly from your smartphone, and its AI image extraction feature accurately detects subjects for clean, professional-looking sticker cuts. The Inspire Kit includes 36 photo sheets and 144 sticker sheets, making it an excellent value for DIY projects, custom labels, personalized gifts, journaling, and small businesses. Although it's limited to 4x7-inch media and prints at a modest speed, its outstanding print quality, easy-to-use workflow, and subscription-free app with thousands of free templates make the PixCut S1 one of the best all-in-one sticker printers available for creative users in 2026. Number 2. D&P DS-RX1HS 6-inch dye-sublimation printer. The D&P DS-RX1HS is a professional-grade dye-sublimation photo printer built specifically for high-volume photo booth businesses, event photographers, and on-site photo printing. Capable of producing up to 294x6-inch prints per hour with an impressive 12.4-second print speed, it delivers vibrant, lab-quality photos using dye sublimation technology at resolutions up to 300 by 600 dpi. The printer supports multiple print sizes, including 2x6 photo strips, 4x6, 5x7, 6x6, and 6x8 inches, making it highly versatile for weddings, corporate events, and photo booth applications. Its large media capacity of 704x6 prints per roll minimizes interruptions during busy events, while USB connectivity ensures reliable performance with Windows and Mac OS systems. The included bundle, with 2 media rolls, a carrying case, and a 3-year warranty, offers excellent value for professionals looking for a dependable event printer. Although it lacks built-in wireless connectivity and is heavier than some newer models, its exceptional reliability, fast output, and consistent print quality have made it one of the industry's most trusted photo booth printers. Number 3. HiTi P525L Compact Dye Sub Photo Printer. The HiTi P525L Compact Dye Sub Photo Printer is a professional photo booth printer that delivers vibrant 300 dpi dye sublimation prints in as little as 12.8 seconds, producing up to 284x6-inch photos per hour. It supports multiple print sizes, including 4x6, 5x7, and 6x8 inches, with both glossy and matte finishes. Its compact design, reliable USB connectivity, and consistent print quality make it an excellent choice for weddings, events, and commercial photo booth businesses, offering fast performance and dependable results for high-volume printing. Number 4. Photo Booth Printer Stand. The Rumble Photo Booth Printer Stand is a heavy-duty metal stand designed for professional photo booth setups, offering wide compatibility with popular printers like the D&P DS620A, DS-RX1HS, QW410, and HiTi P525L. Its durable steel construction, built-in ventilation for heat dissipation, locking door for added security, and detachable photo output tray make it ideal for weddings, parties, and commercial events. With smooth rolling wheels, a stable weighted base, and quick assembly, it provides a reliable and professional solution for transporting and protecting your printer during busy photo booth operations. Number 5. DNP DS820A. The DNP DS820A is a premium professional dye-sublimation photo printer designed for studios, event photographers, and high-end photo booth businesses. It delivers stunning 300 by 600 dpi prints with exceptional color accuracy and supports a wide range of print sizes, from 4 by 8 inches to panoramic 8 by 32 inches. Capable of printing an 8 by 10 photo in just 29.3 seconds, it combines fast performance with outstanding image quality. With multiple finish options, high media capacity, and reliable USB connectivity, the DS820A is an excellent choice for professionals who need large format, gallery quality prints for weddings, events, and commercial photography.